Hi guys. It's hard to say no to a huge muscular pickup. For over a decade, Ram's Power Wagon has served as the brand's burly off-road king. However, potential customers wanted even more from a heavy-duty off-road pickup. Instead of just shoving the diesel into an existing Power Wagon and calling it a day, Ram instead carved out an additional off-road niche. It's the Ram 2500 Rebel production version of 2003. The new truck is an answer to customer requests for an off-road capable truck that can tow more than the Power Wagon does. Ram used the Power Wagon's template as a starting point in creating the Rebel. Every Ram 2500 Rebel has a standard 6.4-liter Hemi V8 engine, delivering 429 horsepower and 410 pound-feet of torque, matched with an 8-speed automatic transmission. However, unlike the Power Wagon, the Ram 2500 Rebel is also available with the option of a 6.7-liter Cummins diesel engine that produces 370 horsepower and 850 pound-feet of torque. The new car makes do without the Power Wagon's disconnecting anti-roll bar, sacrificing a measure of front-wheel travel in exchange for a more rigid setup. Skid plates are on hand to protect the fuel tank and transfer case. But key differences between the two will determine which line you'll take off-road. And whereas the Power Wagon has locking differentials at each end, only the rear axle is lockable on the Rebel. It has all the attributes of a regular heavy-duty truck, towing and payload capabilities, and combined with the excellent off-road capability of the Power Wagon.